Shark EvoPower System Neo Plus is a lightweight, cordless vacuum cleaner that is effortless to use and always ready when you are. Inside the box, you'll find the EvoPower System Neo Plus vacuum, flex wand, 2 rechargeable batteries, and the full set of accessories. Setting up is simple. Step 1. Connect the flex wand and brush roll to the handheld vacuum. Step 2. Insert one of the batteries into the handheld vacuum. Step 3. Install the dust bin onto the auto-empty dock and plug it into a power source. Step 4. Place the EvoPower System Neo Plus vacuum on the dock. The dock is designed to always keep your vacuum charged safely. Once the battery is full, charging automatically stops. Before your first use, charge both batteries for at least 3.5 hours. Each battery lasts up to 32 minutes in eco mode, and the extra battery can be stored neatly in its dedicated compartment. Your Shark EvoPower Neo Plus comes with smart cleaning modes that are tailored to your needs. The Smart IQ mode uses the dual LED headlights to detect debris and automatically adjust suction power for optimal cleaning. The Eco mode saves power for longer cleaning sessions, and the Boost mode is for maximum suction when you need it most. The EvoPower Neo Plus has many features that makes cleaning effortless. The Flex Wand, which allows you to reach under furniture without bending down. And the All-Surface Brush Roll features soft bristles that gently polish hard floors, while flexible silicone fins dig deep into carpets. It also comes with built-in anti-hair wrap technology that keeps hair from tangling onto the brush. For specialized cleaning, simply switch to one of our included accessories with one touch. These tools include the Duster Crevice Tool, which is for corners, crevices, and tight spaces. The Brush Attachment, which is perfect for sofas and fabric furniture. The Upholstery Tool, which is for bed sheets and curtains. And the Motorized Hand Tool, which features Shark's unique anti-hair wrap brush roll that tackles pet fur and hair without tangling. When you're done cleaning, just place the vacuum back on the dock. As soon as it docks, it automatically empties itself. No dust, no mess, no hassle. The dock holds up to 30 days worth of debris, so you can clean without the constant emptying. And when you need some peace and quiet, switch to sleep mode. It pauses auto-emptying while still letting you dock your vacuum, keeping things tidy without the noise. To keep your EvoPower Neo Plus in its best condition, it is recommended to perform maintenance cleaning. Before cleaning, make sure the power is switched off. When the auto-empty dock bin is full, you can remove it from the dock and empty it into a dustbin. To clean the brush roll, simply remove from the vacuum, rinse with water, and air dry. As for the HEPA filter, remove it from the dock and use a dry brush to gently brush away debris, keeping it away from water. Lastly, remove the filter from the dock and rinse with water. All parts should be air-dried completely before reinstalling and use. With Shark EvoPower Neo Plus, you'll enjoy lightweight, effortless cleaning, powerful suction, and the convenience of an auto-empty dock. Always charged and always ready.